338 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And it's still going on, yeah. Almost a year. I think we need to wait a month. Less than a month. Then it will be a year. Yeah, those people in Gaza are suffering. Yeah. Alright, enough about the war. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper on Monday, September the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, and it's the binary puzzle. Yeah, the binary puzzle. And this one will be number. Let me see which number it will be. Oh. Come on. What's happening? Not a lot of space here. Ay. Apologies. I need to make some space here. Alright, the binary number 9240. Wow. 9240. We have 760 puzzles to go, yeah. As you know, if I hit the 10k, I will stop doing this. Maybe I will end the channel. Anyway, 9240. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 ones. 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright. So let's get started. Let me start with the O's. Double O's, here, one, there, one. 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 Double ones, here, no, there, no. Between the ones comes no. Double O, here, one, there, one. Double ones, here, no, there, no. Double ones, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O's, here, one, there, one. Double ones, here, no, there, no. Double ones, here, no, there, no. Double ones, here, no, there, no. Double O's, here, one, there, one. Between the ones comes no. Double O's, here, one, there, one. Between the ones comes no. Between the ones comes no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here, no, there, no. Between the ones comes no. Double ones, here, no, there, no. Double O's, here, one, there, one. Double ones, here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here, one, there, one. And now. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty. Oh, wait. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's, double O's. Here, one, there, one. Double O's, here, one, there, one. Between the ones comes an O, double O's, here, one, there, one. Between the ones comes an O, double O's, here, one, there, one. Then double ones, here, no, there, no. Overlooked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Yeah, I need to think. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm stuck now. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If you place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this last column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. This is nasty. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's and an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box will be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare. Well, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. And here, need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And well. Oh, no. No. I need to compare. Question is, which row or column? Double O, 110. 4, 5, 5, no. Yeah. How about here? No, double O. Cannot compare this one. How about this one? Double 1. No, cannot compare this. Cannot compare 101. How about 01? 01. 010. Yeah. This row and that row. 1 1. 1 1. 1 1. Empty box. 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, now the others. 101. Here we have 101. No, it's not the same. Well, here 011. No. I cannot compare this one. How about here double? This one, last column, and that column. 1 1 empty box. 1 1 1 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, do we have a double one here? No, this is not the same. No. So we need to compare the columns here. Double O. Double one. No. Double O. Cannot compare this one about the double one and the double O. No. Double one. No. How about the last row? Double O, double one. Double O, double one. No, not the same, not the same. How about here? Double O, double one. Oh, yeah, we got you. This row and the last row. All right. O, 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 O. 1, 1, 1, 1. O, O. Empty box. Empty box. O, O. 1, 1, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here. This should be a 1. We have 1 here. This should be no. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 11 minutes. Well. Need more minutes to solve this puzzle. Yeah, of course, we have a couple of time comparing. All right, but I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. No, in the evening. Yeah, this one was the last. Oh, apologies. The last puzzle of today. This afternoon. Correction. For this afternoon. In the evening, I'll solve the 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye.